No matter how the weather is, our lips will get dry and chapped. We need extra care for our lips. But using chemical products on the lips might severely damage the lips, as lips are the sensitive part of the skin. So why using chemicals when all the natural ingredients can easily be used for our lip care, which is more harmless and safer for winter? These scrubs will help your dry and chapped lips to be deeply moisturized, hydrate, and exfoliate your dead skin cells. So we came up with 5 best DIY lip scrubs for dry and chapped lips that you can easily prepare in your home with easy-to-find ingredients.
The Trendy Beauty team, consisting of skincare and beauty experts, presents the best suitable products for you based on testing, reviews, and recommendations. We research thoroughly for each category on ingredients, formulas, pricing, and feedbacks of users so that you get the best products for your skincare, saving your time.
Coconut Lip Scrub. Let's go through the required ingredients. To prepare this lip scrub, you will need 1 tablespoon of coconut oil, 1 tablespoon of shredded coconut, 1 tablespoon of brown sugar, 1 tablespoon of honey, and ½ tablespoon of water. Procedure and application. Just mix all the ingredients together and make a smooth paste. That's how easy it is to make. Then apply the mixture and rub on your lips in a circular motion for 2 to 3 minutes and then rinse with lukewarm water, and you will end up with soft kissable lips. Let's check out the benefits of the ingredients. Coconut oil is filled with antioxidants and fatty acids that nourish your skin, while shredded coconut helps to exfoliate dead skin without being too harsh. The brown sugar also acts as a natural exfoliator that helps to remove dead, dry skin. And honey is rich in natural healing properties. It makes your lips soft and supple. Orange Peel Lip Scrub. Let's check out the required ingredients first. To prepare this scrub, you will need 1 tablespoon of grinded orange peel powder, 2 teaspoons of orange juice, 1 tablespoon of brown sugar, and 1 tablespoon of almond oil. Procedure and application. To prepare this easy scrub, just mix all ingredients to make a consistent paste, and it's ready to use. Apply on your lips and gently rub for 30 to 40 seconds in a circular motion. Clean with a wet wipe and rinse it off with lukewarm water. And your lips are ready for the day. Let's go through the benefits of the ingredients. The orange peel is excellent for treating dark and discolored lips, and the orange juice helps your lips to stay hydrated. The almond oil helps nourish and moisturize dry, chapped lips, and sugar works as a natural exfoliator for healthy lips. The Coffee Lip Scrub. The required ingredients for this scrub are always available at home. Let's check them out. This easy-to-make coffee lip scrub, you will only need 1 tablespoon of ground coffee and 1 tablespoon of honey. Procedure and application. Just mix both the ingredients to a smooth paste and it's ready to apply. Apply the paste on your lips. Gently rub for minutes in circular motion and rinse off with lukewarm water and get a soft, supple lip. Let's go through the benefits of the ingredients. The coffee works to exfoliate your lips and tightens your skin, and honey helps to moisturize your dry, chapped lips and leaves you a soft, kissable lip. The Strawberry Lip Scrub. Let's go through the required ingredients first. To prepare this scrub, you will need 2 tablespoons of strawberry paste, 1 tablespoon of sugar, 5-6 drops of jojoba oil, and 3 drops of vitamin E. Procedure and application. Just mix all the ingredients and make a paste. That's how easy it is to make. Then apply on your lips and rub gently for 1 to 2 minutes. Rinse it off using lukewarm water. Benefits of the ingredients. Strawberries are a rich source of vitamin C, which fights radicals, and folic acid that helps to regenerate the cells. It also helps lightening the lips. The sugar acts as a natural exfoliator that helps remove that dry skin. The jojoba oil helps to deeply moisturize your lips and help to restore chapped and rough lips. Vitamin E nourishes and moisturizes your lips, keeping lips hydrated and supple. It also heals wounds. The Rose Lip Scrub. Let's go through the required ingredients first. To prepare this scrub, you will need 2 tablespoons of mashed rose petals, 1 tablespoon of milk, and 1 teaspoon of sea salt. Procedure and application. Mix all the ingredients together to make a consistent paste, and it's ready to use. Apply the paste on your lips, gently rub for 1 minute in circular motion, and rinse off with lukewarm water, and get a pink lip naturally. Benefits. The rose petals help in naturally lightening the tone of discolored lips. Its antibacterial properties also help in protecting your lips. Milk helps in brightening and moisturizing your lips, and the sea salt helps to exfoliate dead skin from lips. So these are our favorite lip scrub for dry chapped lips. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, then hit the like and share it with your friends. Comment below to let us know about your thoughts. Consider subscribing to the channel if you love our videos and press the bell icon to get notified of our future videos.